The car should be clean and dry before assembly. We recommend thoroughly washing the rear window. Prepare the rear window extension for assembly. Place the rear window extension against the rear window and check the fit carefully. Place the extension exactly in the middle of the window, symmetrically to the center of the car. The extension should be flush with the roof line and the pillar line. Hold the rear window extension in place and mark its outline precisely with masking tape. The mounting location should be thoroughly cleaned and degreased. Remove small pieces of the protective film from the double-sided tape and bend them outwards. Place the extension on the window according to the tape marking. Then gradually remove the remaining pieces of the protective film from the tape and press the extension against the window. Remove the masking tape and the protective film from the extension